Now, before it dries, because I don't know, those of you that ever worked with fondant or little figures, these things dry pretty quickly. So before he dries, take something with a sharp edge or a knife, a little palette knife or something, or even this is fine. But you just want to make little indentations on here. That's just to kind of look like it's a knitted cap. Like I said, it's just these little details that people will really, they won't know what they're looking at, but you'll know. Just little indentations on there. Okay, looks kind of like a yarmulke, doesn't it? Alrighty, same thing, just make your little hole here, your little ball, just for the top of his head. This has a little bit of a texture on it, so let's see if that'll work. Probably not. You can run it over a cheese grater or something. It's not going to make a difference. Okay. Okay, your little dude has a hat. Sorta. Okay. All right, so there's the penguin. Yay for the penguin. Okay, so now I'm going to do a little seal. Seal, that's the name, right? And so he's white, the little kind of gray muzzle thing. So we're going to just start out with just some white fondant, just stuff we pulled off the thing. I put a little bit of Tylose in it, again, just to get it so he stiffens up. Okay, so we're going to need, I don't want him to be too big, but I'll just kind of cut it up here as we go. Make sure your equipment is clean. Okay. So we're going to need a piece pretty big for his head, his body, and we have his arms and his cheeks. Just kind of, alrighty. I may need to go grab some more fondant over there. Anyways, okay, so we kind of pretty much have everything separated out here. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look for a piece of paper towel. Okay, so you're going to, like I said before, roll it in your hands until it's, try to get the black fondant out of there, sorry guys, until it's nice and smooth, it doesn't show any cracks, because if it has cracks in it, when it dries, it will have cracks in it when it dries, and it'll just get bigger and bigger and bigger. So it's going to become the Grand Canyon. So anyhow, so you want to make his body kind of long, and then just kind of push down the end here. You're going to take your knife tool, or you can take a scalpel if you'd like, if you're more comfortable using that, and believe me, they are very sharp. But then you're just going to cut about halfway up, and then you're going to take your piece, and you want to just kind of worry it around a little bit till it smooths out those edges. But you want to make points for his little flippers. Okay, and kind of make his body a little longer, because he does have kind of a longer, kind of a fishtail looking thing, kind of, sort of. Okay, and then I take my little Dresden tool, I guess this is called. Just kind of make some lines in here just to kind of give it some character. But then you're going to want to take and you're going to kind of bend it up, kind of like a flipper. I've got all kinds of stuff in this thing. See what I mean? It just takes everything it'll pick up every little bit of fuzz you're doing. So try to keep your work area clean when you're doing this. So just kind of bend it up like that, so he's, give him a little character. And if it's not going to stay up, just take a little paper towel and put it under there, and it'll just, to kind of keep it up there. Okay, so now let's do his feet, his arms, his legs, whatever. These are his legs, his flipper thingies.